It's Wednesday, April 10th. And Allison said it was National Siblings Day, but my funky little calendar that she gave me says it's National Golf Day. So all you golfers out there, I hope you had a chance to play today. It was beautiful here. So, and National Sibling Day, so that's good. I have a sister. Lucky to have her, so that's awesome. All right, I've shown you this before, but I'm going to show you again because we got in a new shipment of Make It Tweed. This is a carry-along. It's a tiny little thread, and it has a little slub every once in a while, and you run it with a yarn, and this particular pattern runs it with a mohair, and you get a tweed. Right? So Chrissy made this, and it is very cute. It's got a little dippy thing in it that, I don't know where the dippy thing is, but anyway, the way it's made, it has sort of a dippy place. Dippy. And, but even on a little air conditioning day like today, it's very fun and easy to wear, and you could wear it long as well. So this is the pattern. It is called Turnt. T-U-R-N-T, and it's by Nelkin Designs, and it is a mohair and one ball of the tweed. So this was Chrissy's choice, but it looked a little fallish to me. So I am suggesting with this lovely multi, a lovely white for the summer. What do you think? Right? For a little, put it over your, just keep it air off your neck. One ball of the Ariel by Barocco is $17.50, and one of these is $10. So the tweed has over 480 some yards, and one of these has 284. So one ball of this, and then you'll have enough probably to do almost a whole nother one, right? How awesome is that? And I also picked this beautiful powder blue. How would that be? Gorgeous. So but you can do obviously any color. They showed even with a dark, you can see it, right? Or the pale. So lots of choices, up to you, whatever you choose to do. So it feels pretty good, I'll have to say. Air conditioning's been a little, because it cooled off, then it got warm, and who knows, it's going to be 80 this weekend. It's going to pour rain tomorrow. It's always something interesting, right? Who knew? Who knew? All right, you guys got my email about the needle sets and crochet sets. Now is the time to purchase. We are pre-ordering. It's not that we have them in the store. We do have some sets in the store, and those too are 10% off. But if you know what you want, let us know and pre-order. You can go to the website, and the 4 that we featured on our email are right there to purchase. If you want something else, just let us know what it is, and we will find it and tell you how much it will be, and we will order it for you. So think of yourself, treat yourself, have your hub come in and get something for you for Mother's Day. We had a husband do that today. It was a good idea. So anyway, take advantage. Why not, right? Remember our Holey Revival on April 28th. We are going to be visibly mending holes in our sweaters, right? So we're just going to have some practice swatches with holes in them, right? So you can visibly mend with either an egg or a light bulb or a darning thing from Katrinkles. Lots of choices. Also, you're going to have a big, hopefully a great swag bag, which will include a cashmere toboggan or beanie or whatever, and you can embroider that beanie for yourself or for someone else. A little embellishment, right? Be gorgeous. I did that for my nieces this Christmas, and they all loved them, so why not? Anyway, give us a try. It's going to be so much fun. We are going to have Michelle Kaiser's coming back to do the meditation and maybe some quiet yoga situations. She is lovely. Andy's going to be here doing shoulder massages. You know we're going to have mimosas. You know we're going to have a delicious lunch. You know with your $250 purchase, you're going to get $25 in rewards card. So you'll have a whole full $25 card to use. So basically, it's $250 and it's really only going to be $225, right? And bring a friend. Let's make it a party. It's always fun. It's a great afternoon on a Sunday. Treat yourself. It's going to be from 10 to 4 on April 28th, Sunday. I want to see you there. Come on, join us. All right. Go to the website. You can purchase it right there. Go to events and click on Holey Revival, Holey, right? Holey Revival. All right. I will see you tomorrow.